Okay, let's jump right into this quick start explainer for the 400 series VFFS controller. If you're new to this machine, no sweat. We're going to break down the most commonly used touchscreen functions so you can get production running smoothly right out of the gate.
First up, interacting with the screen. It really just requires a gentle touch. Tap lightly near the button center and hold it for about half a second to a second and a half. And this is absolutely crucial. Never use sharp objects to avoid permanent damage.
As we navigate the interface, remember any numbers you see are purely examples, not universal settings. Your actual production numbers will depend entirely on your specific film, product, and environment.
Once booted up, you'll spend most of your time on the main run screen. Let's decode those labels. Photoelectricity on and off is your iMark tracking toggle. Length measurement automatically detects your printed film's repeat length. And those color location arrows? They let you nudge the cutting position into perfect alignment.
For your daily rhythm, keep an eye on your live count, speed, and status. Run and stop handle normal operation. For manual physical adjustments, manual film drawing, which is just manual film pulling, and jog only work when stopped. Also, filling on-off temporarily enables or disables filling on applicable models.
Setting up a new product? Head over to Parameter Setting and pick a Program No from 1 to 8. Think of these as designated storage slots for your parameter sets. Just grab an empty slot.
Inside that program, you'll set your required packing length, your film pulling speed, labeled film drawing speed, your cutting angle, and your quantitative stop, which is your target production quantity. Tap the field, enter the number, and tap Enter. Easy.
You might spot extra options like the screw filling setting, gas inflation, front and back vibration, or triangle bag functions. Just know these are strictly configuration-dependent options. If your machine wasn't built with that hardware, they won't apply.
In system settings, you can swap the display language or adjust the backlight setting. Setting it to 0 actually keeps it on continuously. You can also run a quick touchscreen calibration by tapping the white plus marks.
Eventually, you'll see a status message. Don't panic. A photoelectric error means check your sensor or bag length. For a timeout error, check the proximity switch. Got film drawing off? Toggle it on in the auxiliary menu. And if you hit a quantitative stop, you've reached your target run. Reset to continue.
Final parameter values must be confirmed through actual machine testing. For assistance, please contact your Honey Top sales representative.